morning everybody, welcome back to Teacher Rod Tech, and today is our 5th and final day ng ating INSET 2021. Yun. And today ang ating ititrain ay ang ating mga fellow teachers, syempre sa atin ng sariling atin sa sarili na nating station sa Maranlig National High School. Same topic ng tinalakay natin from the previous sessions natin sa ating INSET week: video lesson production and editing. And since today nasa sarili tayong station, we'll be mentoring yung ating mismong mga kasamahang guro, both from the junior high school and senior high school. Now, a little background there sa history ko sa school namin. I've been teaching for 16 years na sa Maranlig National High School. I've been through a couple of school heads, and our school head as of this recording is Mrs. Bernadette Riquintel. Well, actually, when I started teaching sa Maranlig National High School, I was teaching una-muna MAPE. And then I taught social studies or Araling Panlipunan, since yun yung major ko nung college. And now, since ako yung nasa senior high school na, I'm currently teaching Computer Systems Servicing, National Certificate Level 2, and subjects na may kinalaman sa IT such as MIL or Media Information Literacy at saka Empowerment Technology or ETech. So mamaya pagdating natin sa school, we'll be doing the mandatory tour ng ating school para may pasyal ka naman kayo sa aming paaralan. And then we'll switch over to the session proper, tsaka sa mga activities na ginawa namin for today. And I'll get back to you after ng ating training session. So I'll see you then. Okay guys, we're back and day 5 done and INSET week 2021 done, and we finished training our fellow teachers at Maranlig National High School. The session went smoothly. It's been a productive activity and training, and I do hope na magamit nila yung mga skills na natutunan nila from our training today sa mga susunod pang mga quarters and for the years to come, not only professionally but for personal uses. So I'd like to thank all of the principals, all of the school heads of the different schools that we have facilitated trainings for within this INSET week. Salamat po sa inyong pagtitiwala and in your confidence sa ating skills na mag-deliver po ng mga activities and trainings na merong ipapakinabang sa ating mga co-teachers. And I'd also like to thank our district supervisor of Torrijos District, Marinduque, Sir Raimundo Apostol, for letting us go out to the different schools that have requested for our assistance. I'd like also to thank my school head, Ma'am Bernadette Riquentel, for letting me go also. Though every day ako'y nasa labas, but still she knows how important these skills are for our fellow teachers. Maraming salamat po ma'am and sir. And I'd also like to thank the support given to us by our Division Superintendent, Ma'am Elsie Barrio. Salamat po ma'am sa iyong suporta sa ating mga gawain. And also, I'd like to thank you, my dear subscriber, my dear viewer, sa pagsama sa akin sa buong linggong ito ng INSET Training 2021. After this, babalik na tayo sa regular programming natin. Balik na tayo sa shop and balik tayo sa mga tutorials natin, hopefully para sa mga tech tips uli natin na pwede nyong gamitin sa inyong classrooms o para sa pag-prepare ng inyong mga lessons, and for technology tips na pwede nyong gamitin sa inyong personal lives. So as always, if you like this video, please click on the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And please click the notification bell para lagi kang updated kung kailan tayo naglalabas ng ating mga bagong videos. And I will see you in the next one.